This demo tutorial video is only for information and representational purpose only. How to mirror your smartphone screen to Samsung Smart TV. Smart View feature is available in most Samsung smartphone and tablets. Now what is required for screen mirroring? A smart TV that supports screen mirroring. A smartphone. The screen mirror option may be named differently for other phone brands. For this, look up for mirroring, miracast, wireless display, mirror share, screencast, screen share, multi-screen options on your device. Smart View option can be enabled in 3 steps. Step 1. How to enable Smart View on your TV. Navigate and find Settings, then open Settings. Go to General under Settings option. Now go to External Device Manager. Select Device List here. Now a list of available device will appear in this page. And select your device. Step 2. How to enable Smart View feature on your phone. Pull down the quick setting panel. Swipe left. Touch on Smart View. Now your phone will scan the available devices and display in a list. Select this. And now touch Start Now. Step 3. Pairing the phone and TV. A permission will pop up on top right corner of the TV screen. Select Allow here. Finally, your phone is mirrored. That's all. Please like for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.